Nah, $8 might just get mean. That's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might say that you gave with. That's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
The last one not to get the stove. Won't wait, I wanna fucking head. Won't wait, hit the streets and we break the code. Won't wait, hit the brakes when they on patrol. Won't wait, be the last one not to get the stove. Won't wait, I wanna fucking head. Won't wait, hit the streets and we break the code. Won't wait, hit the brakes when they on patrol. Won't wait.
Imagine rock up in them projects with them. Pick your pockets, Santa Claus don't miss them stockings. Liquor spilling, just popping, get soda, y'all are whipping. Ain't no turkey on Thanksgiving. My homeboy just domed it. I just hope the Lord forgive him. Pots with residue. Every day I'm hustling. What else is a thug to do when you eat cheese from the government? Gotta provide for my dog and them. Get the up out my way. Got that drum and I got them bands just like a parade. Drop that work up in the bushes. Hope them boys don't see my stash. If they do, tell the truth. This the last time you might see my from the gardens where the grass ain't cut. Them serpents slurping blood. Selling, but it's all good. Broken promises, still you're watching. Tell you what time it is. Take your J's and tell you to kick it where the Falaka is. In the streets with a under my dungarees. Dreams of me getting shaded under money.
Jump, Holly Berry. They be staring at the money like it's something it wasn't. Tell me what you do. Everybody don't respect the shoe, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
And I've been hustling all day, this away, through canals and alleyways. Just the streets is the perfect place for shade. Be the last one not to get stove. I wanna fucking have hit the streets.
Okay, hey y'all, so I just got out the shower for about an hour. I just oiled up, put on a little top. I ain't got no makeup, okay, so we're not gonna talk about that. But yes, I just oiled up. Now I'm all moisturized and I'm about to do my hair. Now my hair is still pretty wet like the bun. My hair is still pretty wet like the bun. Like I just got some water right there. Is still wet. However, the whole point of me really doing my hair in the shower is because I really comb through and brush through all of the tangles and knots and get to the root so that I can get the flattest, like, you know, ponytail bun I can get. Now normally I would do it much better in the shower. I would apply my products and stuff in the shower, but it was gonna be a little bit too much, so I was like, all right, I'm gonna bring it out the shower and I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. Anyway, so out the shower, hair is detangled, hair is already in the bun. We know what we're gonna do. Now I'm about to just I'm gonna straighten up this part real quick. Also y'all, I did put castor oil on my part. This is the thing, if this gonna be a protective style, you don't want to lose no hair, you don't want no breakage, you don't want none of that. You want moisturized hair, moisturized ends, tended to scalp. So I did put some castor oil on my scalp right here because the last time I did this, I started to see like a little thinning right there, and we don't do that. So I definitely placed some castor oil there. I'm gonna just go ahead and straighten up this part. Now if your hair is longer than mine, you may have to take your hair out the braid to do this, but my hair, my bangs and stuff is long, but it ain't that long to where it'll just slide out. Okay, so this is gonna have to do. I don't know how centered or straight it is, but this is gonna do. Now I'm just gonna take my hair that's wet out of this bun. I'm gonna take down the braid. So I don't have any product on my hair. The only thing that's on my hair is the castor oil and leave-in conditioner I applied when I was in the shower. But of course we're gonna put in a little bit more stuff to just give it that sleekness. a little bit more shine and better hold. This is just to kind of lay everything down. Okay, so now I have my ponytail. It's super flat, like laying down on both sides. The thing is, my edges are like not as, you know, silky or flat. So honestly, you could add gel, you could add edge control, beeswax. I prefer the black beeswax simply because the lighter one be like having like a white cast sometimes. Jam, whatever lays your edges down, but I prefer not to put too much of that stuff on. So I'm just gonna put my hair in a puff for right now, and I'm gonna apply some aloe. So when I got out the shower, I applied aloe to my face. So I'm gonna apply a little excess on my edges. This is going to help y'all not lose no edges, okay? And it's gonna help your edges grow. Like, honestly, a slick back can be a protective style if done properly and cared for properly. Like, honestly, have a piece of aloe right there. It's gonna be okay. Now, if y'all want to keep it super natural, honestly, once you apply that aloe and slick it back, if you tie your hair down immediately after, you will be good. But I want a little bit more hold and of course a little bit more shine. Be careful if you have like aloe flakes, because it will be white and you don't want that. Okay, so my camera went dead. So now I'm about to go ahead and put some leave-in conditioner to the ends of my hair. Honestly, you can use whatever leave-in conditioner works for you. The leave-in conditioner that I'm using, I'm only using because I'm trying to get rid of it, and I just want to make sure I have some moisture to the ends of my hair. After I apply the conditioner, I am about to go in with some oil because the ends need the most moisture and sealing as possible, because this is the part that breaks off. This part, and of course near the barrette. I also recommend, like, if you have like small like black satin scrunchies, use that. Please use that. Y'all know y'all put something down and then you don't see it no more, because I dag show remember putting it down. I just lost my castor oil. Where is it? Y'all, I know I just put that castor oil somewhere. I don't know where I found the castor oil. I left it in the bathroom. Okay, so I'm gonna just put some castor oil on my ends, and I'm gonna comb it, brush it through. I'm gonna take some jam, lather this over my head. Okay, so now that I have jammed everything, I'm gonna take some extreme wet line gel and smooth it along my edges. I do two things for my edges: the gel, and I do an edge control, but I just smooth it along. take my little raggedy edges brush. You can get these for the dollar store. They come in like this little travel thing with a little cap and everything. I lost my cap, but you know, whatever. And you just gonna, I'm gonna brush my edges back. The whiteness you see is like the aloe kind of mixing with the gel. I'm gonna brush it all together. I'm gonna take some edge control because since I brushed my edges back, I can pull them out a little bit, just slightly. I don't do the dramatic baby hairs. I do something light, and I like using the edge control because it's like a wax. It kind of brings it together, and I just curl it. And it just kind of like curls like so, and then I just use the remaining edge control to just make sure that's slicked. And then I get little baby hair, just a little sideburn. I didn't mean to get this much, but for my curly girls that like to do the little twirls, do the twirl. And sometimes if your hair is really kinky or coily, this is why I go over it with the gel, just so it can hold. Okay, so that's my little baby hairs. I'm gonna do the same to this side. Okay, and that's how I do my slick backs, protective style. You want to really make sure you moisturize your hair and make sure you thoroughly detangle. Now when I do my hair like this after wash day, I'm able to rebrush everything up with just water or so throughout the week and just tie my hair down at night, of course. And if you want to touch up the edges with edge control or gel or whatever you use, do so. So I decided to go ahead and put my hair in a clip. So that's how I'm gonna wear my hair. Also because it's just less tension or whatever, it's just the way to go. That's all for this video. Oh, also if you really wanted to like braid, like to really have like your hair protected, braid or twist your hair before putting it in the bun, like wrapping it around the bun or folding it underneath the hair tie or whatever the case may be. This is just better for me just because like it's less tension, and I just tuck the end pieces, like I twirl it and tuck it after I clip it, so everything is tucked away, smooth it out, and it's cute. So yeah, it's a look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video with my no makeup look. That's all for this tutorial, and peace. Bye guys.